Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to show your coordinates in Minecraft Java Edition. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now, all you have to do is just to join any game and just join the world. And from here you can see that you're just walking and you want to know your function. So mainly just go to your settings, go to options, and then from options go to chat settings, and then make sure that reduce debug info is turned off. If it was turned on, then this won't work. So make sure that it is turned off. Once you make sure that it's turned off and fully, just go back to the game, and then you can either press either F3 or function, hold function and then F3 on your keyboard, and then you can see this menu. So you can see on the left side right here, we have the XYZ. So it's right here for all the coordinates. And if you want to show it to anyone in the game, you can just type on the chat button and then just write the X, which is going to be 6.99, and then Z, and then 1, and then whatever you want after that. And there you go. Everyone now can see your coordinates and you can see your coordinates as well. And to hide it, just press F3 again. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.